Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
Keep to us with black awareness. Speak clearly. Speak loudly. Beautiful black rose, stood tall, radiant, confident in all her purity, modesty, beauty, and envy rose. Yet she stood there, harmless. But at last the wicked one won. She was attacked, deflowered, ravished. Her petals of purity, modesty, beauty were torn from her, flung to the ground, trampled by envious swine. She's bare, trembling, ashamed, crying. She had been fooled. Her cultures were destroyed. She was devoured by Sodom, forced by the death of culture to close herself in folly, wardom. But suddenly, the voice of culture, modesty, beauty, cried out from his suffocation. Her hair goes up with the pride of culture. Her dress down to the call of modesty. She dreamed.